Integrate coding and robotics into the learning process in and out of the classroom with Class Connect and Dash's Neighborhood. Class Connect online dashboard enables teachers to track student progress easily, while students learn to code in Dash's Neighborhood and complete Blockly puzzles. Dash's Neighborhood uses the familiar Blockly app, where students can develop coding literacy with their own online Dash robot at their own pace. Students can work step-by-step in puzzles, create projects using the drag-and-drop programming language, and watch Dash follow their commands in real time. Teach coding by practicing and improving on standards-aligned math skills with the help of exciting tasks and an engaging storyline in math activities. Monitor assignments and students' work and create multiple classrooms for different classes. See exactly what code students create and which concepts are involved. The dashboard also helps to recommend which lessons to take next to encourage further learning. Create and share pre-built programs with your students with the Blockly app. Bring coding to life and reach every student with inspiring coding. Try it out for free right now at portal.makewonder.com.